Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 is officially announced on March 4, 2021. The smartphone is fueled by a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery plus fast charging 33W, 50% in 25 minutes, 100% in 74 minutes, advertised. The phone runs on the Android 11 Plus MIUI 12 operating system. Buy now. News, reviews, deals, products, shop the best. Contact us. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 $200.00 brand. Xiaomi category, mobiles processor, Qualcomm SDM678 Snapdragon 678 RAM. 4GB, 6GB storage. 64GB, 128GB display. 6.43 inches camera, quad camera battery, LiPo 5000 mAh rating. The overall rating is based on review by our editors. The device is equipped with sensors such as fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. The smartphone features an infrared port, USB Type-C 2.0, and Bluetooth 5.0. The smartphone is fueled by a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery plus fast charging 33W, 50% in 25 minutes, 100% in 74 minutes, advertised. The phone runs on the Android 11 Plus MIUI 12 operating system. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 is available in different colors like shadow black, onyx gray, frost white, pebble white, and aqua green, lake green. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm SDM678 Snapdragon 678 octa-core processor, while the GPU is Adreno 612. The smartphone comes in 6.43 inches size and the display is Super AMOLED that provides 1080x2400 pixels resolution, while the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The rear camera consists of 48MP wide, plus 8MP ultra-wide, plus 2MP macro, plus 2MP depth sensor lenses that helps to click pictures with professional experience. The front camera has a 13MP wide sensor.
megapixel camera.